Implant-supported dentures are dentures that are anchored onto implants. They give you a lot more stability, a lot more comfort when you speak and eat, but you're able to remove it at night so that you can keep it very clean. Most denture wearers struggle with a few things. First one I would say is be very loose dentures. When they're speaking, when they're eating, the denture's moving around all the time. The other struggle would be having to always use glue. Another struggle is having bone loss. Dentures will feel great maybe the first year that you wear it, but as subsequent years go on and the bone recedes, the dentures get loose and you have to eventually replace them. Implant-supported dentures is a great option for us to anchor your current denture or make you a new set of dentures and teeth as well. It gives you the ability to speak and eat and smile without things moving. Implant-supported dentures are a great way to get the smile that you've always wanted.